Hi, welcome to a new playlist of videos that I'm doing. Due to popular demand, I asked you if you wanted it and you said yes. I'm doing a countdown of the sort of main events that led up to the execution of Queen Anne Boleyn on the 19th of May 1536. Now I've done a lot of research on this because I wrote this book, as well as running the Anne Boleyn Files website. I also did a lot of research for my book, The Fall of Anne Boleyn, A Countdown. And it was during the research for that book that I realised just how quick, how rapid her fall was. I mean, it's incredibly quick if you can compare it to, for example, the fall of Catherine Howard, Henry VIII's fifth wife. And it just really hit me when I was doing the research for that. So although my book starts a lot earlier, I thought for this series of videos I would just do the main events starting from the 24th of April 1536. So this was 6 days before the first person was apprehended in the fall of Anne Boleyn. And it was on this day that 2 special legal commissions were set up by Sir Thomas Audley, who was King Henry VIII's Lord Chancellor. Now, these commissions were commissions of oyer and terminer, and that name, that legal name, comes from the French for to hear and to determine. And these commissions were used to investigate and prosecute serious criminal offences, including treason. And these commissions were also set up to handle offences and investigations in a particular county of England. A grand jury in the county in question would first investigate the alleged crime and then approve a bill of indictment. And that was if the investigation showed that there was sufficient evidence to try that person for their alleged crime. So if the investigation said yes, then a bill of indictment would be drawn up. The case would then go before a special commission of oyer and terminer, and they were the court with the jurisdiction to try the offence or offences. Now, in this case, Sir Thomas Audley set up commissions to investigate crimes committed in the counties of Middlesex and Kent. And on the 10th and 11th of May 1536, the grand juries of Middlesex and Kent drew up indictments listing charges against Queen Anne Boleyn, her brother George Boleyn, Lord Rochford, Sir Henry Norris, Sir Francis Weston, William Brereton, and Mark Smeaton. These offences were alleged to have been committed at Hampton Court Palace and Whitehall Palace in the county of Middlesex, and then Greenwich Palace, East Greenwich, and Eltham Palace, all properties that were in the county of Kent. And on the 12th of May 1536, Norris, Weston, Brereton and Smeaton were tried by a commission of oyer and terminer for high treason at Westminster Hall. But of course, I'll be telling you more about those people and their alleged offences in the coming days, because I'm going to be counting down every day until Anne Boleyn's execution on the 19th of May. So the 24th of April 1536, the legal machinery was put into place. Now, we have no way of knowing for sure that these commissions set up on this day, the 24th of April 1536, were to try those men. But it just seems coincidental, doesn't it, that Sir Thomas Audley set up commissions covering Middlesex and Kent for crimes that included treason, and that these commissions were then used to try these men for the crime of sleeping with the Queen and plotting with her to kill King Henry VIII. So that's Fall of Anne Boleyn, a countdown event for the 24th of April. You can subscribe to this channel by just clicking round about there. There are all my On This Day in Tudor History videos, there are questions about Anne Boleyn videos and all sorts of other Tudor goodies for you to enjoy. So I hope it's well worth subscribing, and you can hit the bell to be notified as well of further videos as they go live. But I will be back tomorrow with another Fall of Anne Boleyn event for you. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.